For as much as we thought we had all the time in this world, we don't. Nangyari na ba sa'yo yung meron kang kaibigan or malapit sa'yo na ang lakas-lakas pa, full of life, and then one day mababalitaan mo na kinuha na pala siya ni Lord. Tapos bigla ka mapaparealize na life is short. Yeah, it is. And yeah, you won't be here forever. Lahat ng meron tayo ngayon, all our material possessions, bahay, lupa, kotse, and even yung mga taong nakakasama natin ngayon, these are all temporary. And even yung buhay natin, guys, hiram lang yan, pinahiram lang yan sa atin ni Lord. So let us not take every moment of each day for granted. Magmahal ka, mahal ka ng sagad. Tumulong ka for as many people as you can. Go after your dreams. Go start that business. Huwag kang matakot. And always, always choose to be happy. Habang may panahon pa, sabihin mo sa nanay mo, sa tatay mo, kung gaano mo sila kamahal. And every time you got a chance to hug them, do it! Yung mahigpit na yakap. Magpasalamat ka sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Tell them that you appreciate them and that you are grateful for them. Gawin mo habang may panahon ka pa. And do everything you can that will make you feel alive. Nung mararamdaman mong buhay ka, huwag ka matakot. Do everything you can para masulit itong buhay na pinahiram lang sa atin ng Panginoon. Kasi we only have one shot in this life. Para pag dumating yung time na babawiin na sa atin ni Lord yung pinahiram niyang buhay, buong puso, magkaan sa loob mo, nakangiti ka, masaya kang susurrender sa Kanya. At sasabihin mo na, Lord, solid! Sinulit ko po yung buhay na pinahiram mo sa akin. At hindi ko po sinayang.